So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel or you've not subscribed, please guys make sure you subscribe, like, share and also make your comments. If you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you are not following us on Telegram, then the link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Go to the comment section, follow us on Telegram, and if you're interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. If in case you are interested, then you can also subscribe to our Patreon channel. The link to our Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Go to the comment section, subscribe to our Patreon channel, and we are rolling out a 7 days free trial. Basically, you can trade with us for 7 days free, gold free 7 days. So basically, the opportunity for you to trade with us for 7 days is actually opened. Just go to our Patreon channel, subscribe, and you'll be able to trade with us. Now, with this gold, this is what I am seeing on gold for today. I will be expecting a bullish move to this resistance level on gold. So I know some of you will be expecting a drop on gold. Well, personally, I don't think so. I don't think gold will actually start dropping. Gold still needs to make some bullish move. When we take a look at this, our let me show you this our index, DXY or USD index, whatever you want to call it. I will be expecting kind of like a correction to the upside. If that will actually happen, right, a correction to the upside, if that will actually happen, then it should not be of a doubt that gold will actually drop a bit. Gold should drop a bit. I don't expect much movement. Then once this DXY starts falling, then of course, once that DXY starts falling, then of course there should be a massive good amount of a bullish move on our gold, possibly breaking this resistance level. But basically, my targets for this Friday and next week, probably Tuesday, we should be able to hit this resistance level. And by the way, I'll be expecting a breakout of this level. So that is what I'm watching out for. I'll be expecting a breakout because I'll be expecting more drop on DXY or USD index by next week. Basically, all what I'm just predicting now are much likely to play out very well by next week. Most of it will actually play out by next week. But basically, right now, I'll be expecting a little bit of a correction, not much by the way, so I'll not expect much correction. Little bit of a correction, then upward movement to around a level of 1982 and possibly break above it because we all know CPI will be released next week. PPI will also be released next week. We would also be expecting, federal fund rate to actually leave interest rates the same. But if in case they go ahead and hike it, then you are very much likely to see a bullish move on USD. But if they don't hike it, then DXY needs to drop, meaning giving way for gold to actually start giving us that bullish move. Everything we would actually cover it on the Patreon channel. So if in case you are interested, then the link to our Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Follow us on Patreon, subscribe with us so you're able to trade with us. So right now, with what I'm seeing, a little bit of a correction, then a bullish move is what we should be expecting next on gold.